Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. Now, it is 1 a.m., a little after 1 a.m. in the morning, my time. And, if I kind of stumble through this, then please forgive me. I just wanted to get this out before I went to bed, okay? And so, here's the thing. Sometimes I get a little silly when I get tired. So I'm going to try not to do that, okay? I'm going to stay focused and get this done. Okay, now, as you can see, get paid $20 for every person who signs up with your link, okay? And with this opportunity, guess what? You can make multiple, you can receive, rather, multiple $20 payments, okay? And here's the question. Are you ready to change your life for the better? Okay, then I want to invite you to look at my website. Go to my website. There's going to be a link in the description area of this video, and read some of the information that I am presenting to you. Okay, very simple to do. Just go there, take a look. It is a powerful mini site that really does selling and telling for you. Okay, so it's very powerful. Now, if you are serious and motivated like I am, then this is your once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, now this is not a pyramid. I don't do pyramids. Okay, MLM, yes, there are some MLM programs that I really like. Okay, and so I'm not against MLM, but this is not one of those. This is a one-time out of pocket, and the thing about it is it's very low cost. $29.95 out of pocket. That's it. And then you're in business. Okay, so now with that being said, follow our simple system and do the following. Once you get started, check your email inbox daily. Okay, see if you've got any sales. And here's the thing about this. You want to be persistent. Okay, when you get persistent, then you're going to get the rolling. All right, you're going to get the rolling, and payments are going to come, and you're not going to know that they're coming. They're coming, but you just have to be consistent and persistent with this program. Okay, now step 2, send out the info that we supply for you in your training materials. And you can do this either way. You can do this you can do this many ways. One of the ways I really like to do it is using videos, and you can do Instagram, you can do Facebook, you can do TikTok, YouTube, okay, and you can use safe lists as well, okay. And of course, I'm offering any help to anybody that comes in this program or any of the programs that I do. My contact information is going to be in the description area, and you can contact me, and I'm glad to walk you through some things if that is needed. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, now let's go to the next slide. Boy, I'm making it through this. I can't believe it. Not too bad. All right. Okay, so step 3 is get paid $20 per sign up. Okay, and again, you're going to use either safe lists or email marketing, solo advertising, or just free advertising in Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook and TikTok. All that stuff is free to do. So, and you can reach a lot of people. Okay, it's going to be up to you. Step 4, you're eventually going to be able to make between 100 to 200 or more per day. Okay, now if you use email marketing, and I use some email marketing, okay, I do like doing things on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and things like that a little better, but also there's some great safe list programs that we can introduce you to as well. Okay, so you will earn $20 for every email that is processed online, and that's what we call it, processed. When you send an email out and somebody signs up through that email system, we call it being processed. Okay, that's what that's about. Okay, now here's a thought. Okay, if you averaged just one sign up per day, that's average, one sign up per day for a month, you would earn $600. Now think about that in terms getting a raise on your job, okay, or making extra money, going out and working an extra job. Think about that for a moment. Now, just think about this: averaging 2 signups per day for a month. Guess what? That's $1,200. That's $1,200 per month. Okay. Now, think about putting out videos and things like that, and having it out there for long periods of time. Guess what? You're gonna be getting signups, and you're not gonna know where they're coming from. Okay. Now, again, it's $29.95 one time out of pocket. Okay. You'll have instant lifetime access to the incredible mini site that we have, and the training package and all of that. They have ads already generated for you, and that's what I use. I just kind of make, I grab an ad and I'll make it my own, and I share the information with you. Okay. And so you can do the same thing. All right. Now, join now, okay, and GTL is grab the link. So grab the link in the description area of my video, okay, of this video. Grab the link and get signed up today, okay? Boy, I made it through, and I'm gonna get out of here, okay? Okay, in closing this video, and I'm about to go to bed, y'all, okay, but in closing this video, remember to grab the link and check out. Take a look at that website, okay? Take a look at that powerful mini site that we use, and that you'll use too, should you decide to come in to this program. All right, but there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day, and I'm gonna say good night. Bye bye now.